Welcome to SwiftCoin. Let's walk through the easy steps to withdraw your funds from our wallet. First, open your SwiftCoin wallet by clicking on the wallet icon. Once you're in the wallet, find the coin you want to withdraw. Select it from the list. Now, locate the withdraw button. Click on it, you're almost there. Next, enter your wallet address. Then, specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check those digits. Enter your email verification code and your Google Authenticator code. When you're ready, click Confirm. One last step. Click Confirm again to complete your withdrawal. You're done. Keep an eye on your inbox, you'll receive an email confirmation. Plus, your mobile will buzz with a notification. Thank you for choosing SwiftCoin. Happy trading!